Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening, what am I gonna do? We have some black eye peas. You understand me? I'm gonna cook some black eye rice and peas, guys. Yeah, be about this. Black eye rice and peas and some curry chicken back. Yeah, a long time I know it's some curry chicken back. So guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so see my peas over here, so you understand me? I say water black. Yeah, so what am I gonna do? I will light up the stove, guys. Make a sew go on in the kitchen. You understand me? I did. Guys, be a badness. Yeah, guys, so I will light up the stove. Make a sew go on in Nicholas' kitchen. Yeah, guys, some black eye rice and peas and some curry chicken back. You understand me? I did. Yeah, you don't know the badness, so put on the peas, let the peas go and boil. See me have a nice coconut for my rice and peas, guys. Yeah. So guys, watch your badness. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up the coconut and blend up it and make a sewer go on in the kitchen, guys. Yeah guys, some bad black eye rice and peas and curry chicken back, guys. Don't know the badness yet. So now I'm gonna cut up some coconut. Yeah guys, some bad black eye rice and peas. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so finish cut up the coconut. I will blend up the coconut now. Guys, some bad rice and peas, black eye rice and peas, guys. Yeah guys, so finish grate my coconut juice him out. You understand how they be a badness. So guys, as you can see over here, so peas are going to cook. Don't you know cook yet. You understand how they still hard. Want to cook a lot more. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put my chicken back to go and thaw out. You understand how they be a badness, guys. Yeah guys, so see my chicken back. Yeah. See, I put it out and guys, some bad curry chicken back and some bad black eye rice and peas. Guys, soon come back. Guys, peas want to cook a little more. I'll give say 15 more minutes and then me put in the coconut juice. Guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so my peas cook. Peas cook, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour in the coconut juice. I'm gonna sew and go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so you don't know the badness. Put in the coconut juice. Make it go and boil. Go and sort out some season, some ground season. The pot, you understand now these? Put some salt, guys. System technician is dispatched to sort out the problem. Clear within a minute and a half. It's what competition between the day shift and the PM shift will quickly they can clear jam. Most jams are like this one. 4 guys have ended up wedged together. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start out some ground season for the pot guys. So watch your badness. Yeah guys, so 1 green pepper with this, 1 red pepper with my scallion and my thyme guys. I'm gonna cut up my chicken back guys, so I'll come back. Yeah guys, so I'm going over here some. I'm gonna wash my rice and put in the pot. And what I'm gonna do, when I put in my rice guys, I'm gonna light the stove here and put the rice pot on this side. You understand me? The fire more lower. So guys, I'm gonna wash my rice, put in the pot. So guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna throw my rice in the pot. Guys, you're not lying. You have to see badness on the food there. Look what I've gone in there, look what I've gone in there. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light the stove and switch it. You understand now? Guys, just watch your badness now. Storms, snow, and lightning. Guys, see your badness. See your badness. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash the bag 1 time. Put it over my rice pot. Put a little bit more salt. Jet engines are designed to suck in air, not birds. And the results of a bird strike can be catastrophic. 2009, you may have heard of the aircraft that took off from JFK. Yo, people. There guys, so I go on over here, so rice I go on steam, you understand what I did? I'm looking at a plate, so I'm chicken back this guys. So put some ground season, I'm gonna cut up some ground season. Guys, just watch your badness tonight. Watch your badness guys. So guys, I'll finish season up my chicken back now. I already put curry. So I'm going to put the hard purpose. Yeah, that is my all purpose. And chicken season. guys, I'm gonna light up my stove and I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. You understand me? I'll eat some bad curry chicken back and rice and peas. Yeah guys, so cut up some ground season. Yeah guys, so this is my ground season with my chicken back. You understand what I did? Guys, be a badness in the kitchen. Soon come back guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna throw in the chicken back then now. Guys, some bad black eye, rice and peas. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna peel up to Irish now and make it so go. Yeah guys, so I'll put some water on the chicken back. Guys, my chicken back gonna cook. You understand what I did? Yeah. And over here, so we have some ground season, Irish, scallion and thyme pepper, onion, nearly. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. My black eye rice and peas and curry chicken back. Guys, we're gonna look what I want in the rice pot. Boy, guys, watch out. Guys, be about this. Be about this, guys. Me not lie to you. Right now, we can't take off my bag. And my rice don't cook. Understand all the guys? Rice, bad. Guys, just stay tuned. The finishing look, curry chicken back, and the black eye rice and peas, guys. Soon come. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna put in some more chicken season and add purple. We already put in the Irish, guys. So you don't know the pot full.
Sweet, looks juicy. Interrupted. You hungry? I'm good. You want me? Okay. What do you do here? What do you do for that? I just said it's Friday and Saturday. A lot of people. What people? Not first? Yeah, of course. Everyone. England, America, Canada. All over the world from here in Jamaica. This is Jamaica. And what do you sell? Fruits and vegetables as well? It just says Canadian time.
Yeah, guys, so cover him up and make him go and cook. Soon come back, guys. Be about this. Guys, look for my rice and peas, my black eye rice and peas, guys. So I'll go on over here, so yeah. Be about this. I'm making the so I'll go on my chicken back pot. Be about this in iPad, guys. So stay tuned for when you're in the plate. See badness while going over here, so yeah. Be a badness, be a badness. Yeah, guys, so look for my black eye rice and peas and my curry chicken back. Yo, that one a bad, guys, me not lie if you tell you. Remember that.